Here's how to record an activity on Strava. Now it's really easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is you click on the Strava app, and then from here all you do is you click on the record option in the bottom middle of the screen. And how you actually change an activity before you actually start it is you click on the little icon that looks like a shoe right here, and you can actually select your sport. In this case, I'm going to go for a hike right now. If you're going to go for a ride, you can click on that again, click on ride. And there's multiple options that you can select from, and you can also click on the heart rate sensor so that it can actually connect to your watch if you want it to be in sync with Strava. And you can also connect it to your Spotify just by clicking on this music note bottom right corner, and you can actually select it there. Once you've actually selected the sport that you want to do, all you need to do now is you click on the start option, and it will actually show your time, your speed, and your distance depending on the sport. And if you want to stop it, you just click on this button again. And as you can see, I just rode for 14 seconds and went 0.0 miles. Then you click finish, and you can actually title this activity, and you can write a description or add photos right here and click on save activity to your profile.